All right, real quick. I got the soundbar hooked up to the Harley, 2014 Harley, super low. It's a Sportster Softail. All right, so I got the soundbar in or whatever, Road Thunder soundbar hooked all the way up. Super easy. This cord just runs from here. You just run it all the way down to your battery. And there's two connectors. There's a negative and there's a positive. It just goes right on there. And then you have to find the remote switch. So I'm going to show you how to find the remote switch. So that way when you turn it to the on position with your key, it'll light up, okay? So the easiest way to do it without tearing a whole bunch of your wires and stuff up, so what you want to do is you want to go to like Hy-Vee, or no, you don't have those out there. You want to go to Walgreens or whatever and get a syringe. And that's what I do. So I only got a syringe. And what you do is you get one of these testers right here. I got this tester at the auto parts store. It's $10. So basically it has a big tip on it, and if you try to find out which one is the hot, you'll tear the wire up. So what you do is you want to take, it's like a little needle that you get at, like, you can see that, you get a little needle, you get it at the drugstore or whatever. I got this one at like a Hy-Vee or a Walgreens. Basically what you do is you touch it, it lights up, you know it's hot. So I'm gonna stick that in there so it stays. Oh, oops, it didn't stay. 1 second, let me get in there. I'll poke myself. All right, it's in there. So I got it in there to stay. So if you look, you'll notice it's standing in there and nothing lights up on this. Now once I turn the key to the on position, you see the key is gonna be in on position. I got my tester right here. Now watch the light in this tester. See it? So we know through the use of this $10 tester and this little syringe that I got at the drugstore. I think I got a whole pack of them for like $10. You can probe into those little wires without tearing them up and figure out which one's the accessory. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it off, and the last part that I have to hook up is just this little wire, or this little connector, this one right here that goes to the accessory, and then plug this little orange one in. That'll be good to go. All right, so I got the sound bar hooked up on my Harley Davidson. Pretty simple actually. This just attaches to the handlebars. There's a cord or wire cord that you just run. I ran mine underneath the gas tank, which is simple. You just run it under it. The cord pops out here. There's going to be 3 connectors. There's going to be a red one, which is hot, which goes here to the hot. There's going to be a black one, which goes here to the negative, which is negative. Then there's going to be this orange wire. And you're like, which wire did I put this orange one in? Well, I showed you a little bit earlier how to find it, but just so you know, it's going to be in this one. So it's going to be in this plastic segment where it has a blue and a gray on the end and just a blue on the other side. And it's just 2 cords coming out the bottom, and on the top it's going to be an all blue wire, all blue, and next to it there's going to be a black one. Those are the ones that are next to it. So you don't have to do the testing if you just look for this one that has these wires coming out the back, and actually has this green thing, or this brown little tag around it. Yours might have that brown tag around it too. And those 2 wires coming out the back, and then these wires on the top, and the one that you're going to want to connect into for your power wire, your auxiliary wire, or your ignition wire rather, is going to be this all blue one right here, and this just snaps onto that. Yeah, so there should be 4 of these. That one goes to nothing, and then these 3. And you're going to be looking for the one with the brown on it. If yours doesn't have this blue brown sticker, then you're going to want to look for the one that matches those 2 wires coming out the bottom. It has those 4 wires coming out the top. All right. I'm going to turn it on. We're going to see if it works. So right now it's off. Oh, see, there you go. It's on. I don't know if you see that now. I'm not going to play right now because it's starting to rain out here. But yeah, got it hooked up. Thanks for watching. Bye.